Here we are for the recipe of our traditional dish, which is arancini, basically made of rice and sugo. Tonight we're going to prepare the first part, the sugo, which is made of many ingredients. First of all, white onion, very thin, sliced very thin. Then we have 3 types of meat: pork ribs, pork and beef, which have been chopped and diced. Important ingredient is tomato passata and tomato paste or concentrate. Everything will be cooked in olive oil and with high quality good red wine and of course salt. All together they will be put in this pot. This is onion browning in its olive oil. Now that onion is brown, we can put the chopped meat because it needs to be browned too. To use tomato paste or concentrate, you need to melt it into very hot water. You fill a glass of water, of hot water, and put this tomato paste, and very slowly you make it like a cream. As you can see now, the meat is quite fried. You have to raise the heat like this and then pour the red wine and stir it immediately. After a couple of minutes, not more than 4 or 5 minutes, when the wine has evaporated, you can pour the tomato paste. Do you remember? Now it's a cream. And you have to stir again. After some minutes, quite 5 or 6, it's time to pour the passata, tomato passata we saw before. You just pour it into the pot like this, and again you stir. You have to add also some warm water to fill the pot, because in this kind of water and tomato together, the sugo will become stronger and stronger, and say it will have a good taste. Now the pot is full of water and tomato and the heat has been lowered. Now we have to be very patient because it needs about 2 hours and it has to simmer for 2 hours, and then it will become a wonderful sugo for arancini. Bye!
Hi, I'm Jennifer and today we are here to prepare the arancini.
Hi, my name is Elena. To prepare the arancini, we need the eggs.
Hi, I'm Laura and to prepare arancini we also need breadcrumbs.
Hi, my name is Samuele. I'm chopping scamorza.
Hi, I am Matteo. The scamorza is a soft cheese.
Hello, my name is Lorenzo and we also need boiled rice with some saffron.
Hi, I'm Rita and we prepare also sugo and it's ready.
Hello friends, we are using a special device, which is this kind of plastic box, which is a good help to prepare arancini. As you can see, the rice has been put inside the box and then it has been pushed with this instrument this way. Then, as you can see, Lorenzo will put some sugo in it.
Careful, just 2 spoonful.
Pigiamo, ecco, con le mani così un pochino, ecco, perfetto.
Then you have to
Dobbiamo scendere un po'.
add the scamorza in very small
C'è poco.
pieces.
Dobbiamo
Can I eat
mettere
it?
anche la carne.
No, you
se no-
Oh.
Ecco, no. Un po' di riso. Ancora.
Then you add another part of rice to cover the stuffing. Remember to push it. And now the other side of the item pushes the mix.
Piano piano, delicatamente esce solo.
And arancino
Okay.
comes out.
Ta-da!
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Let's buttering the eggs. You pass the arancini in the butter eggs.
And then you coat the arancini in the breadcrumbs.
As you can see, these are the pointed arancini,
But there are the rounded type of arancini you can make by your own hands without using these devices. Good luck to make them.
waiting for arancini!
Fry!
arancini must be fried with a fryer or a pot.
In the end, they will appear with this color. The arancini must be golden.
Oggi sta mangiando.
It's time,
It's time to eat now, and I already tried it because I was hungry, and this is delicious.
What do you think, Jennifer, of your arancino?
It's very good.
Thank you. Matteo, and you?
It's delicious.
Laura? Elena? Samuele? Laura?
It's really tasty.
Thank you, guys.